So after I made out with her, the rash actually went away.
Whoa!
Yeah, it transferred onto her, and just completely ghosted. Just cut all ties. She's got the rash now. I don't have
You
it.
had that rash for such a long time.
Years. And you know who I got it from?
I don't know.
The Santa Claus at the mall. Welcome to Boiz Night. It is I, Joe.
And me, Melvin.
Yep, and we are here for John. This is for you, John.
It's for you, baby.
We're doing it for you.
I've always loved you.
No! Okay, we're playing Exploding Kittens. All right.
Oh, and you just saw my whole hand.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
That's all right.
All right. Looks like I'll go first
Yep.
because I'm a good guy.
Yep, not really a good guy.
All right.
Oh, sorry. Just saw no card you're pulling next.
Awesome. Ooh. Alrighty. We have 3 exploding kittens in this
And
deck.
1 imploding kitten playing with the expansion.
You know what? I'll take another one.
Yeah, you will.
Ah!
That's what you get when you let your heart win.
So I'm gonna use my diffuse. Let's figure out a good place for this guy.
That's
what
right.
I got.
So all he's got
That's all I got.
for you, John.
For you, John. This is gonna be a wild card draw.
You just put it in the middle?
Yeah. You know that's what I usually do,
Oh,
right?
you're a monster.
Yeah.
God damn it. You got me with that one.
Wild card. So you should do something about that.
Alright, this is going to be a real wild card one, okay?
Wild card.
Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
All right. Now let's
You're
look
showing
into
me your
that
hand
future.
again.
Let's see that feature. How many cards?
3.
3.
Look how dirty these cards are.
These are really
You've played
dirty
this so
cards.
many times.
Oh my God, Kevin!
What?
You're such a nice guy.
I know, I try to be.
All right. Well, I want this top one,
And I want this one.
and I want this one,
And I want this one.
and I'll take this one.
And ooh, I'm gonna do a quick alter the future. Alter the future allows me to look at the top 3
Top 3
and
and
rearrange them in any way.
rearrange them in
Shut
any way.
You. All right.
Ooh, give me a favor.
Okay.
Give me the favor. Ooh, thank you.
I gave him a shuffle.
Ooh, let's take that shuffle. I'm gonna
Damn it.
shuffle.
No card was next,
This is
ladies and gentlemen, as in
amazing.
John. I had an imploding kitten set up for him.
Ooh, not nice, man. These
What a really-
dirty cards.
They're so filthy,
They're yellow.
but they're nice and greased up. You know,
Greased
so they're not slick anymore.
Just like John Travolta likes.
Yep. Ew. Does John Travolta like? No!
I don't know, but he does
Come
like
on!
Come on. I don't like that.
I do. I like to really, light the fire.
Shuffle.
Oh, you're no fun.
I'm no fun. Oh God. Ooh, let's put this guy back.
Put it under.
Alright.
Put it under.
Put under abs. Under abs.
Come on, let me touch you.
Nope.
Come on.
Nope.
Come on.
Wild card
Come on.
says no. Wild card says no. This isn't Kevin's couch.
Welcome to Kevin's couch. Hey, so it's your 18th birthday,
It's
huh?
your 18th birthday.
You got a boyfriend?
John, you got a point.
Hey. It's your 18th birthday. I'm glad you're spending your 18th birthday on this couch
With Ian.
with Ian, the muscle man himself. Great job. Looks real neat.
I draw.
Okay.
Your turn.
Oh,
Just a pile of meat. Show me. Oh, let me.
okay.
take a
Yeah, I
card.
get you.
Ooh. Give me another card.
What? Why?
Favor.
No.
That's how it goes.
All right, my turn.
Nope.
Come on.
Nope.
Come on.
Yep.
All right, favor. Thank you. I see the future.
Look at it. Just look at it.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I bet you have a pretty future. That's
You got a good future, don't worry about it. But no, I still haven't drawn yet. Okay, boop. Gonna steal this one. Ooh, good stuff. Gonna take this. You know what that was. You saw it.
ooh. I could mess around with that.
Mess around with it then.
2 countermelons. Nope. What are you doing? Oh.
Nope.
All right. Well, that got rid of your good card.
Yep, that's right. Do get rid of my
Favor.
good card. Okay.
Give me a
Favor.
card.
Favor. Gonna give you this.
Ooh. I'm gonna see the future.
That's smart. Smart idea, kid.
Thanks, Melvin.
Okay.
All right.
Go. Going down. Lightning round.
All right. Rainbow Ralph and Cat. Kevin, show us your hand. Driver, move that bus. Let's see it. Well,
Yes.
haha.
Your turn. All right. Go. Come on, lightning round.
Lightning round. Steve McQueen. All right, mine.
Okay. Joey.
Oh, hold on, baby.
Give me.
Hold on, baby.
Give me. Come on, baby wants the money. Baby wants that pop. I could deal with that. I can deal with that. Okay. All right. And reverse. Your turn.
Ooh, I'm gonna not do that yet. I'm going to shuffle.
Boom. Boom.
Prolonging the inevitable. All right, here we go. Shoofling it.
Welcome to Kevin's.
Welcome to Kevin's house. All right.
Go. Lightning round.
Lightning round. Oh.
Lightning round stopped.
Does
Ooh, but
Melvin.
does Kevin who's? Yes, he does.
Oh.
Diffuse. Does Kevin has that diffuse. He does.
He does. All right.
Right?
Melvin's taking a
Smash
shuffle.
in the middle.
Let's see what you got. Let's see the future.
Ah, boo. Boo.
Right into Kevin's trap. Oh, all right. That didn't do anything. Let's see if I have any ding dongs here.
Ding dongs. Sounds hot.
Sound hot. Uh-oh. Show me your hand, Taco Cats. No. Oh. Okay.
I really like shutting him down. It's emotionally.
No.
It's emotional.
No.
It's
No.
No touch. Oh.
I like how you exploding kittened yourself.
I didn't exploding kitten myself.
Do you have a?
That wasn't mine.
Ooh, you have a diffuse.
Yep. Okay. Taking this, folks. Hey, turn around.
I think I know where this is heading.
Yeah, do you think you know where this is heading?
I think I know where this is
Do
heading.
you think you know where this is heading?
I do. Could be anywhere.
Could be anywhere.
All right.
I almost just took it out and threw it behind the couch.
You're like, nope. Ooh, let's
Hurry up, lightning round.
Skipped.
All right. Oh. Attack.
Nope.
Ooh.
Escalation, bud.
Skip.
Skip back to me.
Skip back. Right back to
me. Skip back to me. Alter the future.
Skip. Oh. Okay.
Was the top
3. Come on.
top 3? I'm sorry.
How many times have we played this game?
I'm sorry.
Can I do this?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right.
Skip.
Ooh, nope. Let's drop from the bottom. Oh no, I don't want to drop from the bottom. This is a trap. Ah! Exploding Kitten. But you know what? Kevin didn't win, so that makes me feel good inside.
All according to plan. I made sure the viewer, John, saw that.
Alright.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Your turn.
Really, is it? Or is it? Reverse, your turn.
Or is it skipped?
Oh, or is it? Reverse, your turn.
Or is it drawn from the bottom? I didn't even place it on the bottom.
It's because I put 2 in the bottom. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Confused.
Damn it. I could do anything. I put my minds to.
Alright, here we
Creep.
go. Wild card. Wild boys always shine.
Alright.
Alright, bun boy. No, 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 no.
Attack!
Ooh. I'm gonna raw from the rottum. Raw rottum.
Alright.
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 No!
Damn it! 4 different cards.
What doesn't do
It
anything?
gives you this.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, you take it. I win!
No.
He took it!
Nope!
Yay!
Joe victory! This is not mine. This is not mine.
Thank you.